Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss worksheet of class 10th polynomials guys. So in this video I am going to discuss few sums, and the next video we'll discuss some more sums, and like that we'll complete this worksheet. Okay. So what is given here? First one, for what values of k is 3 is 0 of the polynomial f of x equal to 2x square plus x plus k. Okay, we'll see that sum. So find the value of k is 3 is 0 of the polynomial for the function f of x equal to 2x square plus x plus k. Okay, take the given value. Okay, take the given polynomial 2x square plus x plus k. We need to find the value of k here. So given that 3 is a 0 of the polynomial, right? So how can we write 3 as a 0 of the polynomial in terms of x guys? So this is the notation. X minus 3 equal to 0 is a 0 of the polynomial that is given. So I mention in terms of x. Now if you equate to 0, we get x equal to 3. Yes or no? So put x equal to 3 in the f of x. In place of x, replace by 3 guys. So what we get? 2 into 3 square plus 3 plus k. Okay, simplify. We get k equal to minus 21. Okay, k equal to minus 21. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.